Hello friends, today I will teach you a Diya putter where you can put it Diya inside. Take it your square paper, fold it into a triangle shape. You can take it colorful paper also. Turn it into one more triangle. Turn it into one more triangle. Open it. Here is one pocket. Turn it into square. So you will get it like this. Now here upside, this will be a open fold on a top base. Fold it till center, all four directions. Same on the back side. Here one more pocket, open it till center. Same thing here, open it till center. Go it back side. Same thing what we did front side. Here fold it, this, close this fold, again close this fold, and here you will get it one crease line. Fold it up to center slowly, both the side. Same thing here, same thing here. Now 1, 2, 3, 4. There are the 4 layers of the paper. First layer, get it down. One more layer, get it down. Open it, again get it down. Again get it down. And here I want to fold it from a downside, little bit upside, press it, and here your lotus petal Diya putter is ready. Even also you can put it on your walls. Even also you can put it candle inside, so wax which has been melted will be remained inside. Thank you friends for enjoying our craft.